Hey, it's Kimberlee and welcome back to my channel. I make videos on all things lifestyle on a budget, and today's budget find is a hair straightening comb. So I haven't straightened my hair in about maybe sometime around December, so I figured I would go ahead and straighten it, probably put in some braids after just because it's so hot out. I want to try out this hair straightening comb from Tymo, which I got on Amazon. I'll have it linked down below. I saw a couple reviews and it looked pretty interesting, and I was curious how it would do with my hair, which is super thick natural hair. So I have it right here. It came pretty quickly. To give it a fair chance, I'm gonna blow dry my hair first, and then I'm gonna try the straightener and see how it works out. It comes with a little brush, which I think once my hair is straighter, it'll be able to get through that, but I thought that was kind of cute. It comes with this glove, which actually kind of made me nervous, but I guess it's to protect you. It comes with 2 clamps, which I think is generous. It has a nice carrying case for the straightener itself, and then here is the actual brush. It's heavier in the bottom of it as opposed to the top. The reason why I didn't get that straightening brush that I see a lot of people do reviews on is that I felt like it would be hard to handle. I felt like the bottom might be too heavy, so I got one that was thinner, and that's the one from Tymo, like I had mentioned. I'm gonna blow dry so that my hair can get through all this. As my heat protectant, I'm gonna be using this Tresemme one. I actually just bought a new one. I don't even know of other brands that do have a heat protectant spray. I only used this like years ago, and then I just rebought it because that one was literally like 7 years old. So I just got this today to update, and hopefully it helps my hair and protects it. I totally forgot to show you guys what my hair looks like before. I should probably show you the journey that we're going to be going on today. I washed my hair last night and did a overnight mask with the TPH by Taraji After Dark, which I'm actually loving. Breaking up that wash day has been so much more helpful, so I really like that. Here's my texture if I haven't shown you guys. Type 4. I do not get ringlets or anything of the sort. Literally just like an afro. And I'm going to put leave-in conditioner in and then set one side aside. Here's the leave-in that I use. This is from Carol's Daughter, the Goddess Strength leave-in. I love this stuff. I just plugged this in, and I'm gonna start with 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna start with level 4. As you can see, it'll blink up to which one it's up to. I don't know how long it takes to warm up, so I'm just gonna set it aside. Yeah, I definitely need a new blow dryer. I don't really blow dry my hair other than when I'm straightening it, and I do it like once a year. So I'm gonna split this section in half. Let's see if this little egg will fit now. Yeah, much better. All right. Okay, this is actually really useful. I'm sorry I knocked it at first. This actually goes right through. It wasn't gonna go through. My hair was in its natural state, but blown out. This gives it much more precision, so surprisingly this is actually really convenient. A little drama right here. I'm trying to figure out what angle I want to do. Ooh, this is weird. Okay. There we go. Because it's like not a clamp, I'm like trying to figure out how to do this. This is really nice though. It just goes right through. You can see my dead ends, but it just goes right through. Can you put it to your scalp? Okay, you can. If you're light with it, you can put it to your scalp. I just need that so that I could get the very edge of it. All right, so that did a really good job. That was like confusing at first. I needed to get the angles, but that's usually me. So let's keep going. I can't feel if my hair is like straight, is curly at the root because I have this glove on. So I have to like put it down, touch it, and then be like, there's some spots that I could go over again. It's so thin and it's like creeping me out because it's like, where is my hair compared to this, which is so thick. Let's see if I can handle this without the glove. Okay, I like it better without the glove. Because it's not a clamp, it's almost harder to keep the hair in the brush. It'll like fall out unless I like hold it all the way to the end and maybe like bend it type vibe. But yeah, that's just the only thing, is getting used to like keeping the hair in here, but I'm sure there's like a rolling technique or something like that. My length is about where I keep saying it is. Oh, it's like under, we're getting to under boob. So that's exciting. Yeah, so that's where it's at. I'm impressed by the ease of it, so let me continue with this side and I'll come back. Okay, so I want to say that I'm noticing at level 4, it's like smoking a little bit. Felt like level 4 was actually quite hot, but I do see the difference in that it's just much more straighter, and then the back here kind of has like a little wave to it because I was sweating, and then like because I had twisted it. But overall, like that was incredibly fast. I don't go for the pin straight, like really slick straight, so this is usually where I would stop, but this is much better than maybe I'll insert a clip of like how my hair looks straightened when I use my other straightener, but this is like much better. I'm gonna just put some black seed oil like all throughout my hair, just for some moisture and healing of my scalp. Catch this bald spot that I got, make sure she's nice and moisturized so she can grow back. It's so hot. I've definitely like sweat this. We're gonna have to go through it again. Personally, I feel like this is not long. I don't know how long this is in general, but I thought I would line up both my blow dryer and the straightener to see which one is shorter. And like I thought, this straightener is much shorter. I don't know how to show this. I look like an idiot right now. I already feel like I have better control on this side, and I think that's just because of the angle, because I'm a lefty, so it's just kind of flowing much better than when I did it the other way. Alright, so as you can see, like this side is much more straighter and this side is obviously like reverted a little bit. So I'm gonna go back real quickly through some of this, and yeah, but look at this, man. The only thing I will say is that it's hard to get like these little pieces in the front, though it still like brushes through, but like that would just be something where it's like very minuscule. But I love this. Tymo, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so I am done. Woo, I haven't seen my hair straight in like so long, so I almost feel like I look like a not like a naked cat, but I just look very like, ooh, like I'm just so used to like big hair. I'm just holding it like this right now because I'm sweating and I don't want it to start reverting, so I'm gonna have to put it up real quick. I love it. I'm all about it. Here's how we're looking in terms of length check and all of that. In case you guys are curious, I was doing length checks, but I got lazy on it. I did not continue with the rice water. I thought I would spray it every day, and I sprayed it for like 3 weeks and then forgot. So I haven't really been doing anything different other than protective styles for the last month or so. So here is where we're at. I'm very happy. We are, I guess, we're like almost mid-back. We're right under my bra. I feel like I'm just kind of stuck at this level right now. I guess that's not true. I'd like to get under. I would like to get to here and then I'd be fine. We're at 22 inches. So I feel like the last time it was 21 or 20. So we're at 22 inches right now. Okay, so that is my video of me straightening my hair using the Tymo straightening comb. I enjoyed it. It was super easy to use. Comment down below what you use to straighten your hair, or if you're not straightening your hair and you're on like a no heat journey. I only straighten my hair about once or twice a year, so I think the last time I said was in December, and like here we are now in July. So usually this is around the time that I get like a trim or something, but I probably won't go to the salon to do it unless I like really wanted to, but I've already straightened my hair now, so maybe I'll do a little dusting, I'm not sure. Pretty straightforward, cools up and cools down relatively quick, which I'm impressed by that. Like I said, it has 5 settings. I only went up to 4, and then you can easily adjust it right here, and then the power button is here. So I'll leave a link down below in case you guys are interested in getting it. That's my video. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.